Welcome to ZeroEmbed, an AI automation agency focused on custom AI apps, workflow automation, and content systems that actually ship. In this tutorial, we break down OpenAI's newest model, GPT 5.5, in a clear and practical way. Before we dive in, here is a quick question for you. Which of these best describes what is new in GPT 5.5? Option A: it is a browser-only chatbot with no coding tools. Option B: it matches GPT 5.4 speed while showing much higher intelligence, especially on agentic coding, computer use, and research. Option C: it is trained only on text and cannot analyze data or spreadsheets. Option D: it completely replaces GPT-4 and works only inside Microsoft Office. Comment your answer below. A, B, C, or D. We reveal the correct answer at the end of this video. Meet GPT 5.5, OpenAI's latest step toward a true AI super assistant. Here is what we cover in this short tutorial. What GPT 5.5 actually is, what changed from GPT 5.4, its core capabilities, real use cases, and a quick recap. First, what is GPT 5.5? GPT 5.5 is OpenAI's newest general-purpose AI model, released on April 23, 2026. OpenAI calls it their smartest and most intuitive-to-use model to date. It is available in ChatGPT for Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise users, with a stronger variant called GPT 5.5 Pro on paid plans. Internally, the team nicknamed it Spud. So what actually changed from GPT 5.4? GPT 5.5 matches the per-token speed of GPT 5.4, but performs at a much higher level of intelligence. It is noticeably better at analyzing data, writing and debugging code, operating software, researching online, and creating documents and spreadsheets. On OpenAI's own benchmarks, it also scores higher than Gemini 3.1 Pro and Claude Opus 4.5 on several tasks. Now, the core capabilities. The biggest gains are in what OpenAI calls agentic work. That means the model can reason across long context, take actions over time, and complete multi-step tasks, instead of just answering a single question. It is especially strong at agentic coding and computer use, where the model actually navigates software on your behalf. GPT 5.5 also shows meaningful gains on scientific and technical research workflows. OpenAI says it can help expert scientists make real progress on problems that depend on careful reasoning and long chains of analysis. It is already powering Codex, OpenAI's coding agent, running on NVIDIA infrastructure. Where does this actually help? For builders and teams, GPT 5.5 is useful for a few very practical things. Automating research, summarizing documents, drafting and editing spreadsheets, building internal agents, and doing real coding work end-to-end. At ZeroEmbed, we use models like this to ship automation systems that replace hours of manual work every day. Now, the answer to our quiz. The correct answer is B. GPT 5.5 matches GPT 5.4 speed while showing much higher intelligence, especially on agentic coding, computer use, and research. If you got it right, drop a confident yes in the comments. That is GPT 5.5 in simple terms. If this helped, subscribe to ZeroEmbed for more short AI tutorials like this one. Visit www.zeroembed.com or email connect@zeroembed.com to start building with us.